All about ITIL 4 practices, updates, service types, and benefits. What are the ITIL 4 practices? ITIL 4 practices introduction. So, you are here for a career in IT service management? You want roles as an IT service provider and an IT service relationship manager to attract stakeholders and customers. You are quite ambitious, but you should know that it is not, as they say, impossible.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
And yes, it is difficult because you have to show your wizardry in the products and services, outputs and outcomes, keeping in mind the cost and risk with utility and warranty. Through the IT service relationship model, ITIL has resolved all issues with service offerings and relationships. The sole pedagogical force comes from its core of focusing on value and progression with feedback. General ITIL 4 practices. Service management. This practice emphasizes the importance of defining, delivering, and continuously improving services to meet customer and business needs. It encourages a holistic approach to managing services. Value stream management. Value stream management focuses on optimizing the flow of work and value delivery across the organization. It helps identify and eliminate waste in processes. Continual improvement. ITIL 4 places a strong emphasis on continuous improvement, encouraging organizations to regularly assess their processes, services, and performance and make incremental enhancements. Guiding principles. These are fundamental beliefs and values that guide decision-making and actions in service management. Examples include focusing on value, starting where you are, and collaborating and promoting visibility. Governance. ITIL 4 suggests establishing a clear governance framework to ensure that practices align with business objectives and policies. Governance helps in decision-making and accountability. Service relationships. Understanding and managing the various relationships involved in service management, such as service providers, consumers, and stakeholders, is crucial for success. Service ecosystems. Recognizing that services are interconnected and part of a broader ecosystem is vital. ITIL 4 promotes a holistic approach to service management. These general practices provide a comprehensive framework for organizations to enhance their IT service management capabilities and deliver value to customers and stakeholders. Benefits of ITIL 4 practices. Improved service quality. ITIL 4 practices emphasize customer-centric service delivery, leading to higher service quality and customer satisfaction. Enhanced efficiency. By adopting best practices, organizations can streamline processes and reduce operational costs. Better communication. ITIL 4 encourages effective communication between IT teams and other business units, fostering collaboration and alignment. Agility and adaptability. ITIL 4 practices promote flexibility in responding to changing business needs and technology advancements. Continuous improvement. The framework supports a culture of ongoing improvement, ensuring services evolve to meet evolving requirements. Risk mitigation. ITIL 4 helps organizations identify and manage risks associated with service delivery. Clear roles and responsibilities. It defines roles and responsibilities, reducing confusion and increasing accountability within IT teams. Overall, ITIL 4 practices enable organizations to optimize their IT service management and achieve their business goals more effectively. ITIL services and its types. The malleability of IT services in ITIL has a shared viewpoint, giving customers a voice to represent their thoughts and make their requirements clear. The customer pays the service providers for owning their risks and correcting them. And it is through this that we build trust with our customers, causing them to prefer our services over those of a plethora of other service providers. However, if you want core services, want to work in enabling services, or want to polish the existing system and help improve services, you don't need to be a consultant. You may be an aspiring student, a business owner, or a business student who is striving to make service management a career or use ITIL services to enhance your productivity. The ITIL 4 Foundation has taken all its practitioners and consultants a step ahead by invoking its users to adopt and understand the service management framework and its paradigm. And why it should not transmute. Look around you. And what you see is cloud computing, IaaS, machine learning, and blockchain. So service management is also evolving, and hence ITIL is implementing its principles in ITSN globally. Tracing the roots of ITIL 4 practices. As ITIL 4 has been in the big picture of ITSN for more than 3 decades, it is known for the ITIL certification programs, training, and guidelines that help shape much of the ITSN that we see and use today. The primary challenge comes in the form of modern management problems and developing new technologies in the system, as well as establishing effective governance and thoroughly managing IT-enabled services. Today, the ITIL 4 framework is widely acclaimed for its ITIL service value system, a four-dimension model of organizations and people, ITIL 4 practices, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. It gives congruent focus to each dimension, ensuring that SVS forms equilibrium. ITIL concepts and ITIL 4 practices can be applied to all organizations and services, regardless of their line of business or area of business. Earlier, ITIL V3 had 26 service life cycle processes, but now, with the new and improved ITIL V4, it has 34 ITIL 4 practices.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.